2018 to 2024 Chevy Equinox HID headlight. We're gonna replace this old or this original GM to an aftermarket. So we're just gonna be removing the bulb to the aftermarket. It's not exactly the same, so we'll show you what the difference are. So this is the original HID bulb, and in order to remove it, there's a holding bar, not the one you see on the top, it's the one on the bottom. You have to pull up on that holding bar, and it releases the top one, and you can remove the bulb. We'll have a cross section in a second that is going to make it easy to see what we're talking about. And as the bulb comes out right off, and this is how the connector comes right off. Okay, now we're going to move to the, and this is actually the holding bar. The bottom one is what releases it. The top one just holds it in place. So this is the old one. We cut it so you can see it, but this is, I'm going to repeat that in a second, but it only goes one way. There's a tab that, you know, locks it in one location, and then this is the bottom holding tab or holding bar. So you have to pull up on it and release, and you won't be able to see it, so you're just gonna do them by feel. So now we go to the aftermarket. The aftermarket is different. So this is pushed in place and twist to lock it. It's totally different from the original. There's no holding bar, and it has 3 tabs instead of 1 that locks it in place. You have to push it in these tabs and then twist it to lock it. So it only goes one way. The connector side is toward the bottom of the headlight, and it goes in. You're gonna see it's not exactly this perpendicular. It goes on a little angle. Now you feel for the tabs when they lock in place. As soon as they lock, you push on it, you push down on it, and you twist, and it's locked. And that's how it's done. It's locked in place. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.